In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link X in Houzz 2026. By the end, you'll have your Houzz profile connected to your X account so visitors can find and follow you seamlessly. This is great for boosting visibility and keeping your brand consistent across platforms. Start by heading to the Houzz website in your browser. Once you've signed in and you're on your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account you want to connect. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile image or name. This is your account menu. Click your profile to open your main profile page. This is where your public information and company details live. When the profile page loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. Don't stop halfway. Keep going until you reach the footer area of your profile. You're looking for a section labeled Connect with Us. This section houses links to social platforms you can attach to your Houzz presence. In that Connect with Us area, click the X icon. X is the platform formerly known as Twitter, and this click will initiate the connection flow. A new window or tab may open, or you might see a pop-up asking you to sign in. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization screen can appear. When prompted, sign in with your X account. Use your standard X login details in the Secure X window. If you're already signed into X in your browser, you may skip directly to the authorization step. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and review any permissions so you know what you're approving. Next, you may be asked to choose or confirm an email. Select the email associated with the X account you want linked. This helps ensure Houzz connects to the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts or emails in your browser. After you confirm, the connection completes almost instantly. You should see your X handle or icon reflected on your Houzz profile, making it easy for visitors to click through to your X presence. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to update and then scroll back to the bottom to verify. It can also help to refresh the page if needed. That's it. Your Houzz profile is now linked to X. This simple connection helps drive traffic to your social feed and keeps your audience engaged across platforms. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly connected profile.